Welcome to your evening meditation. Sitting or lying with your eyes closed and inwardly looking down towards your navel. This will support you to keep any random thoughts that aren't relevant to the meditation at bay. But if you do become distracted, that's okay. Simply come back to my voice, come back to your body, your awareness of your body, and your breathing. Breathing in and out. Using the breath to relax. Breathing in and out. Breathing in long and deep, soothing and rhythmic. Now imagining your office, your workplace. If you're a stay-at-home mum, maybe you can imagine the laundry or the kitchen, or outdoors. Just taking a moment to connect with your day, breathing in and out. Now imagining a doorway and you're walking through that doorway and closing the door behind you. This represents closure on your day. You are putting it behind you, and you've moved into a room that is peaceful and calm. Maybe that is your bedroom, or this room is filled with a particular colour that is calming. Whatever works for you, somewhere that is calming and soothing. Breathing in, long and deep and calm. Breathing out, relaxing your shoulders your jaw, and your eyes. Feeling calmer, breathing in, feeling quiet. With your next breath in, pop your hand on your heart. And I'd like you to spend some time in gratitude for all the small and simple things in your life. Connecting with gratitude is really a form of love. So it's a wonderful precursor to a restful night's sleep. Could be your bed, the food in your stomach, the way someone helped you, the car in your driveway. Breathing in the gratitude, breathing out and surrendering to your evening. Breathing in serenity. Breathing out surrendering. Breathing in gratitude. Breathing out. Continue with this comforting and relaxing breathing. Eyes continue to look inwardly down. Totally present to your breath. Totally present to your body, sitting in the chair or lying down. Feeling grateful. Feeling peaceful now. Feeling ready for sleep. Setting the intention for a deep, relaxing comforting sleep. Breathing in and breathing out. That brings our 10 minutes together to an end. Thank you so much for spending your valuable evening time with me. I do hope you've found this meditation beneficial. I invite you to leave a comment or click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for many more meditations. I wish you a wonderful night's sleep, pleasant dreams, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.